Why hypoglycemia is rare with metformin. Metformin does not raise insulin. It improves insulin sensitivity and reduces glucose production, so it rarely causes low blood sugar on its own. Most hypoglycemia in type 2 diabetes happens with insulin or sulfonylureas. These medications actively lower glucose and can push it too low. Metformin-related hypoglycemia usually involves another factor, such as poor food intake, alcohol, or illness. When hypoglycemia can happen on metformin alone, even without insulin or sulfonylureas, low blood sugar may occur if you have skipped meals or long fasting, heavy exercise without eating, alcohol on an empty stomach, illness, vomiting, or dehydration, very low carb intake combined with exertion. Sources: NHS notes that hypoglycemia usually affects people on insulin or certain diabetes medicines, and GoodRx/drugs.com confirm metformin has a low risk unless combined with other factors. GoodRx+1. Symptoms of hypoglycemia, general information: shaking or sweating, hunger or dizziness, irritability or anxiety, blurred vision, weakness or tiredness, confusion. Severe symptoms may include loss of consciousness or seizures. General first aid steps for mild hypoglycemia. These are standard public health recommendations, not medical advice. Take fast-acting carbs, e.g., glucose tablets, sugary drink. Recheck glucose after 10 to 15 minutes. Eat a snack with carbs plus protein if the next meal is far away. If symptoms are severe, persistent, or unusual for you, it's important to seek medical attention. Why this matters. Medical news today confirms that people with type 2 diabetes can experience hypoglycemia, even though many assume they cannot. Understanding triggers helps prevent it. If you want, I can help you explore possible triggers for your low blood sugar episodes or how to reduce the risk of future hypos based on general guidance.